Hey guys, Rookie Luck here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And got something a little bit different for you guys today. As you can see here, I got a couple of disc detainer locks in front of me. So I, like many of you guys, have went and bought the Sparrow's disc pick. And yeah, what can I say? It came on sale, or it got re-released or back in stock on just the perfect day where I had some extra money. So I figured why the hell not, and I went out and bought one. It's actually my birthday month, so kind of decided to treat myself a little bit. So first lock I picked with it was actually this one here, which believe it or not, tensions from a random zero cut disc. This is actually the first disc right here, so you can see tensions from one of these. So yeah, I was quite happy to have gotten this picked using that, as lockpicking lawyer says, advanced technique with these front tensioning picks. This one here, however, does tension from the front disc, so I'll give that one a shot first on camera here. I think everything's already zeroed out, but turn everything clockwise and try to get this in there. I have to say too, this I'm working on some more tips for these, because I find the picking tip for this, it's thin enough to slip between the discs, but it doesn't like pass through them really cleanly. Like just pushing this in and out is quite a struggle sometimes to get it just in the right spot. Okay, I think we got a nice turn on the core there. I think those two are set possibly. See, like I'm trying to make slight movements and yeah. Another little turn on the core. And yeah, we got an open, so really pretty damn easy. Once you get the feel of things, I will say the one struggle I did have when I first picked this lock was feeling knowing what discs not to touch, feeling a zero cut disc. But it's actually pretty easy once you get the feel for it. When you get a nice turn on the core like that and you're trying to pick a zero cut disc, and you get a turn, you lose that rotation. You have to back off your tension. Pretty much have to back off all your tension, and then you pick that zero cut disc, and then you don't have any turn on the core. So it's pretty good indication that you don't need to pick that disc. So we'll do this one next. Maybe not next video, but I will eventually get it. And where is that pick I'm working on? Wasn't the right diameter, but I sanded this one down. I still have to work on it, and hopefully I can make a better tip that passes through the discs, I should say, a bit better. And would love to get this picked one of these days, but as I believe the first disc is a spinner, when I tension off the second disc, I do get the other discs to bind, but I don't really get any feedback from them. I don't get any solid clicks on it, so I hear some of these are doable with this pick, but some of them you just won't get any feedback, and I think this might be one of those locks. But I'll keep trying. I'll put a bit more work into it, and who knows. Also working on making a rear tensioning disc pick, but I'm having a hard time sourcing the tube that would go over this, and that's pretty much it. Actually, I would love to be able to find something locally instead of having to order shit, but yeah, we'll see what happens with that. Anyways, guys, I'm not going to waffle on too much longer. Yeah, I guess I'm part of the club now. First disc lock picked, disc detainer lock picked, and it's actually not too bad. It's actually pretty fun. Really different feedback than I was expecting with this, but it's pretty cool. As always, guys, appreciate all the support. Go ahead and leave a comment, and I'll get back to you, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care, guys.